Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It is EDC multi-tool time, and while I don't believe anyone is superior to another, this is what I carry on my belt every day. I do like this setup though. It has the things that I personally need. There's so many different flavors of these things that you can be picky about getting them. But I got the pouch. So the pouch is a $10 do-it-yourself pouch from Hobby Lobby. And it comes with the needles, the thread, this entire pouch, and the flashlight tube, or whatever you want to call it, on the side. This one is, I don't know, it's 5 or 6 years old now, I guess. Still holding on. She's got the basic clip hardware there on the back, and I have a Streamlight microstream in here, the 1 AAA, and then I have a Leatherman Rebar. This was a gift from my girls, so that's why it has a place on my side. It was a gift. So I, about a year ago, decided that I needed to put a glow nut on this dude because I had dropped it a couple times and my wife actually found it both times in the yard in this pouch. So I needed something a little better visibility wise. So I went with I don't know if you can see it, but there is a reflective ribbon in this, as well as a glow nut. So whichever I can hopefully try to find if I go back. Yeah. So this dude is their Coyote model. You can get it in silver and black as well. I would have preferred the silver one, just a little easier to see, but I think this one was perfect. So, and it's your classic size. It's not like the super tool or whatever that's really bulky. It's pretty small for what it is. It's got a blade and awl and 2 smaller size screwdrivers, and I have a really strong magnet that I poke down in there. Also, it just rides on my underneath my screwdrivers there. It just lives in there in case I need a really strong magnet. It's got a serrated blade, a can opener, a Phillips screwdriver, and a saw. And this is something that I like to have extra on my person, is a saw. This one's really thin, and I've used it a good bit. It's kind of wumpy, it's kind of crooked. You just got to take your time and not destroy it, because if you get too crunk, you will bend that dude and it'll probably break off. This has the replaceable cutters on there. I've used this guy a pretty good bit when you have goats. You work on fences all the time. So I've cut quite a bit of wire with these guys, as well as at work, tying off bells. We cut a bunch of wire, and I've cut it with this too to shorten it up. But it's a good size. It's works good for me personally. I have taken a file to the top of it and put a 90-degree spine on this so I can scrape things with it if I need to. But other than that, this is my EDC multi-tool. I also carry a Swiss Army knife in my pocket, but as of multi-tool, this is her. Like I said, everybody's needs are different. I will say this one: if you go to build one of these, when you build this pouch, you'll think this isn't going to fit. But what I've done is I just submerged the entire pouch in water and left it there for 30 seconds, whatever, pulled it out, and then stuck the multi-tool down in it, and it wet formed. Look, it's got a good... It still lets me have my high-vis on the outside. Pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to share that. We were talking about multi-tools here. I was getting a bunch of questions about the one that I had shown the other day. Those were just SOG power leaders that I had in my small bag. Y'all, appreciate the support. We got a lot more stuff coming. You can check out our older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram and bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Hobby Lobby, Streamlight, Leatherman Rebar. Thanks.